Okay, testing. Awesome. Welcome to the streams, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, yeah, before we do anything, we're just gonna check Forex Factory if we have we've had anything last night, and if we have anything coming out later on tonight during NY session or London session or even during Asian session. So we really don't have anything coming out later on today. It's just a good clean price action day for us. So um we do have a couple of news coming out for AUD, but it's pretty much a low impact news, so wouldn't affect trading necessarily, especially when we're trading gold for the most part. So right now, so we're gonna head straight into our charts at this point. Let me let's start with the daily time frame. So looking at the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame actually, look on the weekly time frame, we definitely can see that we have closed below a resistance level on the weekly time frame. So we're bound to potentially push below at this point, potentially filling this wick. So we're bearish on the weekly time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, yesterday's daily candle closed pretty strong below the support level at 1738.45. So we have now broken out of this range between 1738.45 and 1742. So we are now bearish on the daily time frame, starting to push down, potentially coming down to break the yesterday's daily candle lows. So I think based on the daily time frame, our bias is bearish. If we're gonna retrace, then we potentially come out to 1738.45 to retest this previous support level that we broke out of. So that's that on the daily time frame. Looking at the forward time frame, let's see what's happening on the forward time frame. Before we do that, let's just clear out. Start with a clean chart on the forward time frame. We're gonna get rid of our trade updates. We have no updates as yet. So looking at the forward time frame, we have really driven below the previous forward candle closed bearish also. We're really trading below this support level at 1735 at this point. So I think we have potentially more bearish momentum coming down to fill the previous four weekly candle and also coming down to this candle low here down at 1729.80 area that was reached on the 8th of July, which was last week Friday. So yeah, based on the forward time frame, I think we're actually bearish at this point. Um, with that being said, I think if we've already retested 1735 on the open of this Asian session. So I think our bias for today is bearish. So that's what we're gonna be looking at on the lower time frames. Really looking to see if we can get some entries on the lower time frames. So now we're gonna hop onto the 1 hour time frame. See what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. Now, based on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have 3 minutes until this 1 hour candle closes. We trading a little bit above this support level, this minor support level on the 1 hour time frame at 1732 to 100 that was formed a couple hours ago. Today's now is 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, heading up to 11 a.m. So this support level was created during the 6 a.m. today. So with that being said, I think I think if we have a I think if we have a candle close below 1732 to 100, we can potentially come down and fill this wick to the left, right over, potentially reaching this low over here at 1720, actually 1730. Yeah. So this range here is how many pip range? This is a 20 pip range. I think we could potentially take 10 pips out of this. Looking, yeah, we're definitely rejecting the support level area, so we could potentially push up at this point. We have a minor resistance on the 1 hour time frame, just a little bit above 1734. So it's this zone right here. So we're really trading in a range between 1734 and 1732 to 100. So this is less than this is less than 20 pips. This range is less than 20 pips, so this is no trade range. So we're not gonna be looking at taking any trades in this range. No trade range. With that being said, let's just take a look at what's happening on the 30-minute time frame, just to potentially see if we can have an entry on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, looking at the 30-minute time frame. Let me just change this color to indicate the 4-hour previous support level. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, this 30-minute cannot close in the next 1 hour. Um, I think based on the 30-minute time frame, if we reject these lows, we could potentially drive up at this point. Right here. Yeah, we have support level at 1732 200. It's pretty much holding at this point. Um, yeah, I'm not too confident in taking a trade in this range. We have there's a pretty small range, so it's pretty choppy on the 30-minute time frame. Very, very choppy on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see what's happening on the 50-minute time frame. Looking at the 50-minute time frame. Gosh. Oh no. Screen run out a little bit over here. Mm. Had a little bit of a power issue there. My apologies. Mm. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now that's a huge move. Huge 1 minute move. Oh shit, really missed this move on the 30-minute time frame.